Hey friends, if you wish to know which Windows operating system you have, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure to find this out. Here's what you have to do. Search for system information in the Windows search bar and go to system information. In the summary itself, the very first statement is OS name. So it will mention the name of the operating system, which is Microsoft Windows Home Single Language. Okay, and it will also mention the version. I'll show you once again. So it will also mention the build and the version. First, right now we are at the 26 series, so yes, I'm at the latest build. Here's my suggestion: whatever OS you have, right click on the start button, select settings, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates. If you're using Windows 10 or any previous version and your system supports Windows 11, then I suggest you to upgrade as soon as possible because Windows 10 support is about to end. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.